Okay, so here's a quick walkthrough on creating a proposal estimate. From the home page, navigate to the Estimates module by using the main menu, which is in this area on the left of the screen. We're going to go ahead and add an estimate. You're able to pick between itemized or proposal. We're going to be focusing on creating a proposal estimate. We're going to select a customer, give it a name here, project, and address there. Really, all we need. We're going to go to the contacts here. Now this would be a list of all the contacts applied to this customer. We'll select the people that we want applied to this job or this estimate. We're going to go ahead and save that here, and that's going to take you to where we're going to put our estimate together. Add your estimate number. I can change the estimate date if I want and even put a customer PO on there. This proposal style estimate has a long form and can hold many paragraphs in the text editor here, where you could write that or copy and paste it. We'll go ahead and copy and paste some stuff in here. We can format that a bit. Let's make this a bulleted list here. So let's say that's our proposal. Down here in the items, there's not much in terms of line items. Most of these proposal estimates are one line item total for all of the things we listed above. We'll just add a line item for a total of $50,000. You can add an extra line on it if you want. And in this case, we'll make it a discount for $1,000. Now we're going to get down to the estimate terms. Again, you could write a long form here or copy and paste. But we also have the ability to create templates for this in the admin settings. So in this case, we're going to select the proposal terms template that's been pre-created to fill that in. Then we go ahead and edit any of the text that we want there. On the estimate, I want to show the client's signature and show my signature. So that's the basics for creating the estimate. Next thing we'd want to do is send this to the client for approval. So we're going to hit Save and Send. You can select any people applied to this client to send this for approval. We can also add a few more email addresses here if we want additional recipients not applied to the client. And we can include a custom message in the email here as well. From here, they would get an email with a link to view the estimate. So this is what they'd end up seeing on their side, the PDF view of the estimate here. They can download or print it. They also have the ability to approve or decline this in this estimate. We'll go ahead and approve it. Let's say John Doe puts a signature there. Go ahead and approve. Now we're showing it to prove we have someone who approved it. When we go back over the Estimate tab and refresh the screen, it shows this estimate has been approved. We have all of our signatures there in the info section. You can see who approved it, when it was modified, and some general information about the estimate. So now that this estimate is approved, we have the ability to create a new project based on that approved estimate. Basically, what that's going to do is take all the information from this estimate and go ahead and pre-populate the content in a project. Well, that's it on this tutorial for creating a proposal estimate.